Klipsch The Three Plus Premium Bluetooth Speaker System In-Depth Review. If you're looking for a high-end Bluetooth speaker that delivers audiophile quality sound with classic design and modern features, the Klipsch The Three Plus might be the perfect choice. But is it worth the investment? In this detailed review, we'll break down its sound quality, design, connectivity, and ease of use, helping you decide if it's the right speaker for your needs. First impressions. Design and build quality. Right out of the box, the Klipsch The Three Plus makes a strong impression. It features a retro-inspired design with real wood veneer, tactile knobs, and a premium finish that looks great in any living space. Unlike many plastic Bluetooth speakers, this one feels substantial and well-built, designed to last. The front-firing drivers and side-mounted woofer give it a distinctive look, while the physical controls, volume, bass, treble, and input selection make it easy to adjust settings without relying solely on an app. If you're interested in the Klipsch The Three Plus but want to see how it compares to other high-end speakers in real-world testing, click the link in the description for side-by-side sound demos and user testimonials. Key features and benefits. Big, bold sound with audiophile-grade clarity. The Klipsch The Three Plus is a 2.1 bi-amplified system, meaning it has dual 2.25-inch full-range drivers for crisp mids and highs, a 525-inch high-excursion woofer for deep, punchy bass. Why this matters? Unlike smaller Bluetooth speakers that struggle with full-range sound, the 3 Plus delivers rich, room-filling audio, whether you're listening to jazz, rock, or electronic music. The bass is powerful but controlled, avoiding the muddy distortion found in cheaper speakers. Professional tuning by Klipsch acousticians ensures accurate sound reproduction, making it great for audiophiles and casual listeners alike. Turntable-ready with phono RCA inputs. One of the standout features is its phono preamp, meaning you can plug in a turntable directly without needing an external preamp. Why this matters? If you own a vinyl collection, this speaker simplifies your setup. Just connect and play. The RCA inputs also allow for wired connections to CD players, TVs, or other audio sources, making it versatile beyond just Bluetooth. Right now, the Klipsch The Three Plus is available at a limited time discount. If you're ready to upgrade your audio setup, don't miss out. Click the link below to check the latest price before this deal ends. Bluetooth 5.3 with strong wireless range. The 3 Plus supports Bluetooth 5.3, offering up to 40 feet of wireless range, stable connectivity, fewer dropouts compared to older Bluetooth versions. However, there's a notable downside. Switching between paired devices can be frustrating. Some users report needing to reset the speaker or repair manually when switching from one phone to another. Mitigation. If multiple people will use it, consider dedicating an old phone or tablet as the primary Bluetooth source. Alternatively, use the wired RCA or USB-C inputs for more stable connections. Klipsch Connect App, limited but functional. The Klipsch Connect App allows custom EQ adjustments, preset saving, and firmware updates. But it's not perfect. Some users find the app too basic, lacking advanced features like multi-band EQ or detailed sound profiles. If you're used to Sonos or Bose amps, this one feels minimalist. Since the speaker has physical bass treble knobs, you may not need the app much anyway. Broadcast mode for multi-speaker setup. A unique feature is broadcast mode, which lets you sync up to 10 plus Klipsch 3 Plus speakers for a whole home audio system. Why this matters? If you want multi-room audio without Sonos-level pricing, this is a great alternative. Perfect for parties or large spaces where a single speaker isn't enough. USB-C playback and reverse charging. The USB-C port allows wired playback from phones or laptops. Reverse charging can charge your phone while playing music. Why this matters? Great for travel or outdoor use where you want to keep your phone charged. Provides another wired option if Bluetooth is acting up. How does it compare to competitors? Klipsch The Three Plus versus Sonos 5. Sound quality. The 3 Plus has stronger bass and a more analog sound signature, while the Sonos 5 is more balanced with better app control. Connectivity. The 3 Plus has more wired inputs, phono, RCA, USB-C, while the Sonos 5 is Wi-Fi only, no Bluetooth. Multi-room. Sonos has a better ecosystem, but the 3 Plus's broadcast mode is a solid alternative. Klipsch The 3 Plus versus Audioengine A5 Plus wireless. Sound. Both are audiophile grade, but the 3 Plus has deeper bass. Features. The A5 Plus lacks Bluetooth 5.3 and a phono input, making the 3 Plus more versatile. Design. The 3 Plus wins in aesthetics with its retro look. Klipsch The 3 Plus versus Bose Smart Speaker 500. Sound. The 3 Plus is louder and more dynamic, while the Bose is more compact with better voice assistant integration. Use case. The Bose is better for smart home use, while the 3 Plus is ideal for music purists. Final verdict. Who should buy the Klipsch The 3 Plus? For a deeper look at the Klipsch, the 3 Plus's sound profiles, turntable compatibility, and multi-speaker setup, click the link in the description to read the full user manual and expert opinions. You might discover even more reasons why this speaker could be perfect for you. Buy it if you want powerful, room-filling sound with strong bass. You need a turntable-ready speaker with phono input. You prefer physical controls over touch-sensitive buttons. You like retro design with modern features. Avoid it if you frequently switch Bluetooth devices. Pairing can be frustrating. You want advanced app controls. The Klipsch Connect App is basic. You need voice assistant support. No Alexa, Google Assistant built in. Final thoughts. The Klipsch. The 3 Plus is a fantastic Bluetooth speaker for those who prioritize sound quality, design, and wired connectivity. While its Bluetooth pairing process could be smoother, its powerful audio, turntable support, and broadcast mode make it a top choice for music lovers. If you want a premium speaker that looks as good as it sounds, the Klipsch The 3 Plus is well worth considering. What do you think? Would you choose this over a Sonos or Bose speaker?